Students of Conestoga College were asked to get involved this past week as the college held its Get Involved Fair, which happens the third week of every school semester. There were 61 exhibits total across all the campuses. There were exhibits from within the college and from outside the college. The majority of them came from agencies that were outside Conestoga. Student life programmer Laura Black said that vendors come specifically to Conestoga College for the event.
I think it's special. We have partners from all over that come specifically to the Conestoga College Get Involved Fair. There's fairs all over the place, but students are specifically passionate about getting involved, and especially here on campus because we have a lot of programs that are tailored to that with placements, co-ops, things like that. And so volunteering really gets you in the door and helps you for those future opportunities as well. I think it's a chance for community partners to see what we do here too, and get to see those students in a more talkative way, get to interact with them and things like that. So it's a chance for students to sell themselves to the agencies, but also for the agencies to sell the services that they do to the students. Because it's not just about volunteering, but about awareness for those community agencies, especially though a lot of them are not-for-profits. So this is their way of getting the word out about what they offer.
She said what some of the agencies were looking for out of the event, including the number of volunteers, and what they get out of getting involved.
Yeah, definitely they are looking for, even 1 to 2 great volunteers that are going to be committed, involved, and really add to their services. And they find that most of them find at least 1 or 2 every time that they're here, and that's why they keep coming back. It's because they enjoy it. It's a fun experience for them. We offer refreshments to all the booths. We offer an opportunity to mingle between even just the community partners themselves. And so that in itself is a strength of the fair.
For Spoke Online, I'm Jody Anderson.